Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will explain what diagnostic codes 70 through 75 mean and how to troubleshoot the associated gate reversal or stoppage. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. This video continues our series on troubleshooting LiftMaster gate operators. Look at the diagnostic display while attempting to run the operator. Diagnostic codes 70 through 75 indicate an entrapment protection device wired to the main control board has been triggered for less than 3 minutes. The code you see will vary by whether the input is for open or close, edge or eye, and main board or expansion board. The main symptom is a gate that stops during travel and reverses immediately. One of the main causes is that an entrapment protection device has been triggered by an obstruction. A gate that is closing will stop and reverse to the fully open position. A gate that is opening when the obstruction is sensed will reverse for 4 seconds and then stop. If the diagnostic code was caused by an obstruction, remove the obstruction, then give the gate a command to open or close. This should clear the diagnostic code from the display and the gate should fully open or close. If the diagnostic code occurs in the absence of an obstruction, there are several things to check. For edges and photoelectric sensors, make sure the devices are properly wired. For photoelectric sensors, make sure the sensors are aligned. Clean the sensors of any dirt or film that may interfere with the beam. Make sure the sensors are not too far apart. This diagnostic code is not saved in the history and will go away as soon as the condition has been resolved. When you finish servicing an operator, be sure to access the diagnostic code history and clear it. Click the info icon for a video about accessing the diagnostic code history. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. Be sure to check out our other products and accessories when you visit us on the web at liftmaster.com.